Hello my people, today we are going to learn question and sentence in English. Are you ready? Where is your book? Where is your book? Igitabo kirihe? Where does she live? Where does she live? Atuye he? Where can I sit? Where can I sit? Nihe nakwicara? Where is the station? Where is the station? Sitasiyo iherereye he? Where did you go? Where did you go? Ni hehe wagiye? Where are my shoes? Where are my shoes? Inkweto zanjye ziri he? Where do they work? Where do they work? Bakora he? Where is your house? Where is your house? Inzu iri he? Inzu yawe iri he? Where can I park? Where can I park? Ni hehe naparika? Where is the restaurant? Where is the restaurant? Restaurant iherereye he? Where is my phone? Where is my phone? Telefone yanjye iri hehe? Where are my keys? Where are my keys? Imfunguzo zanjye ziri hehe? Where is my wallet? Where is my wallet? Ikofi yanjye iri hehe? Where do they live? Where do they live? Batuye he? Where can I find it? Where can I find it? Nihe nagishakira? Where is the bus stop? Where is the bus stop? Nihe bisi ziparika? Where are my parents? Where are my parents? Ababyeyi bawe bari he? Where can I buy this? Where can I buy this? Nihe nagurira ibi? Nihe nagurira iki? Where do you work? Where do you work? Ukora he? Where is the supermarket? Where is the supermarket? Supermarket iherereye he? Where did you find it? Where did you find it? Nihe wagishakiye? Where is your car? Where is your car? Imodoka yawe iri he? Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? Ushaka kujya he? Where do you want to go? Where do we eat? Where do we eat? Nihe twarira? Where do we eat? Where is my jacket? Where is my jacket? Ikoti ryanjye riri he? Where is the nearest school? Where is the nearest school? Ishuri ryo hafi aha riherereye he? Where can I get help? Where can I get help? Nihe nabona ubufasha? Where did you buy that? Where did you buy that? Nihe waguze ibyo? Where are we going? Where are we going? Nihe tugiye? Where can I find food? Where can I find food? Nihe nabona ibiryo. Where can I catch the bus? Where can I catch the bus? Nihe nafatira bisi. The end. See you next video. I love you. Don't forget to subscribe, comment if you